Good morning, all my dear lovely students. As we all know that we are starting our online classes again from today onwards. I hope you all have completed your holiday homework and notes. Those students that are remaining to doing this work, so please I am requesting all my respected parents, please help your child to complete the work. So today we are starting our new lesson, that is the clothes we wear. So students, before explaining this, the clothes we wear, I would like to ask you one question, that why should we wear clothes? हम clothes क्यों पहनते हैं? Why should we wear clothes? So that is very simple thing, to cover our body. हमारी body को cover करने के लिए we should wear clothes. Now not only the cover, क्या हमारी body को only cover करने के लिए हम पहनते हैं? No. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Okay, and clothes also protect us from small injuries such as insect bites, cuts and worries. So students, so what I've explained you, the clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. हमें clothes किससे protect करते हैं? sun heat से, cold से and heat से, cold से and rain से. So now clothes in different season. Students, now I will explain you that in which season we wear which type of clothes. During summer, so this time summer season is going on. So during summer we wear light cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep us cool. In summer season we like to wear cotton clothes. Whatever I am wearing, this is cotton clothes. Why wear the cotton clothes in summer? Because they keep us cool. हमें क्या रखते हैं? Cool रखते हैं. हमें इसमें sweating कम होती है, गर्मी कम लगती है. So during summer we wear light cotton clothes. Why? Because they keep us cool. And what we wear? We wear sunglasses, hats and umbrellas to protect ourselves from sun rays. sun rays जो हमारे निकलती हैं sun से, उसे protection के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? hats, umbrella and sunglasses. During summer we like to swim in swimming pools. Yes, I think all children like to swimming. So what we like in summer? We like to swim in swimming. We wear a swimming costume in the swimming pool. हम swimming pool में क्या पहन के जाते हैं? Swimming costume. So अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा? Clothes in different season. So I have explained you about the summer season. So during summer season we wear light cotton clothes. Why wear light? Why wear cotton clothes? We wear cotton clothes because they keep us cool. And what we use in summer season to protect ourselves? We use sunglasses. Sunglasses होते हैं जो हम चश्मे पहनते हैं, goggles. Sunglasses, hats and umbrellas to protect us from sun rays. किससे बचाने के लिए? sun rays से. And we like to swim in swimming pool. And what we think now? Now next topic is we discuss about woolen clothes. So woolen clothes we wear in winter season. We wear woolen clothes during winter season. And cotton clothes keep us cool. So now woolen clothes keep us warm. Winter season में coldness ज़्यादा होती है, so we like to feel warm. So that is why we wear woolen clothes to keep us warm. And we wear sweaters, jackets, long coats, woolen socks, mufflers and hats to protect us from cold. So in Winter season we wear sweaters, jackets, long coats, woolen socks, mufflers and hats. In which season? Winter season. So students, अब now today we will now we are discussing about the rainy season. Our third season is rainy season. I think all children like to rainy season. In the rainy season we wear raincoat to keep ourselves dry. We also take an umbrella to protect ourselves from the rain. So what I have explained you about all the three seasons. In summer season we wear light cotton clothes. And why wear cotton clothes in summer? Because they keep us cool. And in winter season we like to wear woolen clothes because they keep us warm. And in the rainy season we use raincoats, gumboots and umbrella. We use umbrellas to protect ourselves from the rain. Okay, so what I have explained you today about the clothes, कि हम किस टाइप के क्लोथ्स किस सीजन में पहनते हैं. Now how do we make clothes? Next topic is how do we make clothes. हम क्लोथ्स बनाते कैसे हैं? जो हमने ये क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं वो कैसे बनता है? Long time ago people did not know how to make clothes. बहुत टाइम पहले the people don't know that how to make clothes. They used to wear leaves. What they used to cover the body? Leaves, skins of dead animals or bark of trees. The clothes that we wear today are made from cotton, wool or silk. किससे बनता है? आज जो हम जो कपड़े पहनते हैं वो कॉटन, वूल और सिल्क से बनता है. बट पहले के टाइम में लोगों को पता नहीं था कि क्लॉथ्स कैसे बनता है, तो वो अपनी बॉडी को किससे कवर करते थे? दे यूज लीव्स, स्किन्स ऑफ डेड एनिमल्स एंड bark of trees to cover their body. So this time whatever we are wearing, this is made from cotton, wool or silk. So now here we will discuss about the different stages of making a cloth. We get cotton from the cotton plants. कॉटन हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? कॉटन जानते हैं आप? अब आप पूछोगे ये कॉटन यानी जो रुई जो होती है. So we get cotton from cotton plants and we make thread by the process of spinning. Look at here. Here this is the cotton plant. And here we are spinning the cotton. This lady is spinning the cotton. ये क्या कर रही हैं? कॉटन को स्पिनिंग कर रही हैं, यानी उससे धागा बनाएंगी. क्या बनाएंगे हम? थ्रेड. वी मेक थ्रेड बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्पिनिंग. हम जो कॉटन क्लोथ्स बनाने के लिए जो थ्रेड लगता है वो हम किससे बनाते हैं? बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्पिनिंग की प्रोसेस से. द प्रोसेस बाय विच कॉटन थ्रेड becomes a cloth is called weaving. The process by which cotton thread becomes a cloth. जिस प्रोसेस से हम जो क्लॉथ बनाते हैं उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? वीविंग. क्या बोलते हैं? वीविंग. मेकिंग ऑफ वूल. अभी तो ये बात की थी हमने आपसे कॉटन क्लोथ्स के बारे में कि कॉटन क्लोथ्स कैसे बनता है. कॉटन क्लोथ्स मेड बाय द cotton. We get cotton from cotton plants and we make thread of cotton by spinning process and it is called weaving. So now we will discuss about how to make woolen clothes. Woolen clothes कैसे बनते हैं? We get first of all before cotton, for cotton clothes making we want cotton. So for woolen clothes making we want wool. So we get wool from the hair of sheep. किससे मिलता है हमें? sheep से. The process by which hair is collected from a sheep's body is called shearing. जिस process से हम sheep की body से hair निकालते हैं that is called shearing. The sheep's hair is cleaned and made into woolen thread in machines. फिर हम after taking after getting the sheep's hair, then we clean it and made into woolen thread in machines. फिर हम उसका मशीन्स में क्या बनाते हैं, क्लीन करते हैं उसको एंड वूलन थ्रेड बनाते हैं. द वूलन थ्रेड इज knitted to make woolen clothes such as sweaters, caps, socks, muffler. Then we use woolen thread to make the woolen clothes. Woolen clothes can be knitted at home. Yes, cotton clothes can't be make at home. Woolen clothes can be knitted at home. हमारी मम्मा हमारे लिए स्वेटर्स बनाती हैं. Yes, so woolen clothes can be knitted at home. They are also made in factories. और ये कहाँ पर बनते हैं, फैक्ट्रीज में. Just look at here. I am showing you the process of woolen clothes making. Just look at here. This is sheep. We get hair of sheep. ये जो hair है sheep के, we get hair sheeps, that is wool. sheep से हमें क्या मिलता है, wool. And after this look at here, this is sheep. In this, on this sheep, so many hairs are here, so much hairs are here. We remove hair of sheep, then we give in the fact machines, and also at home we can prepare woolen clothes. So how we make woolen clothes? We make woolen clothes at home, in factories, and the woolen thread is knitted to make woolen clothes such as sweaters, caps, socks, and mufflers. Have you seen anyone in your family knitting wool? Tell me students, क्या आपने अपने घर पर किसी को knitting करते हुए देखा है woolen clothes को? I am absolutely right. Yes, आपने देखा ही होगा, because हमारी ग्रैंडमदर स्पेशली विंटर्स में हमारे लिए knitting करती हैं, हमारी मम्मा knitting करती हैं. सो आज हमने क्या पढ़ा कि हाउ टू मेक कॉटन क्लोथ्स एंड वूलन क्लोथ्स. कॉटन क्लोथ्स we get cotton from cotton plants, then we make thread by this process of spinning, that is called weaving. And woolen clothes we get sheep's hair, then we clean it and made into woolen thread in machines, then we use to make woolen clothes. So students, today you have to read from here. I am showing you this is chapter 3 from this page, and these 2 pages you have to read and do practice of reading. In next lecture I will explain you next thing, that is how we make silk cloths. आज हमने पढ़ा कि we use different types of clothes in different season. Like in summer season we use cotton clothes, and in winter season we use woolen clothes. In rainy season we use raincoat. And today we have learned that how we make cotton clothes and woolen clothes. So in next lecture I will explain you then how we will make a silk clothes. So now you have to do practice of reading and be ready for next lecture.